Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to open a Dyson V10. Sometimes even after replacing or washing the outer filter, the vacuum still smells bad. This happens if something wet was vacuumed up and moisture inside may have caused a moldy smell. In this case, the interior sponge filter also needs to be cleaned. So this is, as you know, is the outer filter. You just need to rotate it counterclockwise. And Dyson says you can wash it and leave it out for 24 hours. I washed it, it didn't help. The vacuum still smells bad. I ordered new filter, still the problem exists. So here, as you can see inside this hole, there is a spongy filter. We're going to open the Dyson vacuum and then try to wash it and clean the interior part of it to get rid of the moldy smell. First, let's open the cyclone. As the manual says, you push this button, take it out, and again push another button here to take the whole thing out. So first let's open the battery. We have two screws here, one here. Let's unscrew it with a hex
screwdriver.
And then we can take out the battery. Next step, we're gonna open these screws. We have two more screws here. I'm gonna open them. Now, let's take it out. There you go. Okay, we have two more screws here. These are like Torx screws. They look like stars. We open them. Now with a flathead screwdriver, try to push it a little bit from each side to take out this white part. Okay, to take out this white part, we push the black part and take this out. Be careful here, this is your motherboard. We have two more Torx screws here. Okay, take this off with your nail. Open this part. Next, the flathead. There you go. All right, we got there. I can see all the smell is coming from this. I smell something here too, but that's totally fine. You can just clean it easily, but this is the biggest issue. I'm gonna go wash it and put it back and reassemble our Dyson V10. Alright, I washed this interior filter. Doesn't smell at all. You can wash this too. I'm gonna put it back. Alright, this part is a little bit hard and tricky. We put the button back here. And then okay, here we are. It goes like that. Then now we need to take all the wires back here so we could plug them. First one. Alright, finally I was able to take everything in. Right now it's time to put that cap here. Put the two Torx screw. Right. Next step, make sure this is aligned like that. You slice it in, and we have 6 screws. I'm gonna start with these two.
let's put the
cyclone back in. We're gonna just slice it back in. There you go. I'm gonna put my new filter back in. There you go. I don't smell anything at all. I hope it was useful for you. Please don't forget to like or subscribe it if it was useful for you. Thank you so much.